Hi, today's lesson is going to be on multi-digit multiplication. Hey, Grace.
Hi.
Hey, we're going to just review some simple multiplication problems first. Single digit times a single digit, Grace. 7 times 3. What is that?
21.
21. Way to go. Our product is 21. Hey, have you been studying your times table?
Yeah.
I can tell. You've been working hard. Let's try another one. A multi-digit number times a single digit. Okay? Remember, we have to line up our ones, make sure our places are in the correct place value, right? Mm-hmm. Now we can multiply. 5 times 4 is what, Grace?
20.
20, excellent. So I'm going to write 0 in the ones place and carry my 2. 5 times 1 is?
5.
5, excellent. Plus 2 is?
7.
7. What's my product, Grace?
70.
70, way to go. Okay, now we're ready to start some multi-digit multiplication, okay? Grace, I've got 24 times 12. All right, what I need to do is, just like in addition, is to line up my place values. So I've got my 1s lined up and my 10s lined up. 24 and the smaller number 12 on the bottom. Draw my line and I'm going to start multiplying, okay? What we do is go in rounds, guys, in multiplication. We're going to go in 3 rounds, Grace. So we're going to start with round 1. And Grace, I've got a special job for you. When we finish each round, you're going to ring the bell and we'll move on to the next round. Ready? Here we go. Round 1. 2 times 4, Grace?
8.
Good. Grace, I always start with the number in the lower right-hand corner. What's 2 times 2?
4.
4. Good. End of round 1. Grace, ring that bell. Yeah, way to go. Let's go to round 2. All right, Grace, ready for round 2? First thing I do in round 2, Grace, is I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place to hold that place because I'm going to be starting to multiply from my tens place, okay? All right, here we go to multiply. 1 times 4 is?
4.
Excellent. 1 times 2 is?
2.
2, way to go. End of round 2, ring that bell. All right, now we're going on to round 3, everybody. Round 3. The final round. Let's go for a knockout, Grace. We've got 2 partial products. I draw my line here for my equal sign, and I'm going to add my partial products. Here we go. Got our numbers lined up in the ones place. 8 plus 0 is?
8.
Excellent. 4 plus 4 is?
8.
Excellent. We're almost home. I've got 2 left, so I bring it down. Grace, what's my product?
288.
All right, way to go. Ring that bell. Knockout, Grace. High five. All right, way to go. Now let's try another one, Grace. You ready? You did so well on that first one. Let's keep going. I've got 145 times 34. Now, before we start our 3 rounds, we make sure we've got our numbers lined up in the correct place values. Are they all lined up?
Yes.
Yes, they are. Okay. So, Grace, let's go to round 1. Ready? Okay, here we go. We start with the number in the lower right-hand side. And here we go. 4 times 5 is?
20.
20. Way to go, Grace. I'm going to write 0 and carry the 2. 4 times 4 is?
16.
All right. Plus 2 is?
18.
18. Way to go, Grace. You're doing great. I've got my numbers lined up. I'm going to carry the 1 from 18 over there. 4 times 1 is?
4.
Plus 1 is?
5.
Yes, way to go. End of round 1. Ring that bell. Here we go. We're going to go right onto round 2, Grace. Here we go. And remember, in round 2, I write the 0 down there to hold the 1's place, okay? Now I'm ready to start multiplying from the 10's place. 3 times 5, Grace?
15.
I write the 5 and 15, and I carry the 1 and put it over the 4. 3 times 4 is?
12.
Oh, you're so good. Plus 1 is?
13.
13. I'm going to write the 3 and 13 and carry the 1. 3 times 1 is?
3.
3 plus 1?
4.
4. Excellent, Grace. End of round 2. Ring that bell. All right. Now let's go to round 3, everybody. Round 3. Grace, let's go for another knockout. You ready? Okay, I'm going to draw my line for my equal sign, and I'm going to add my 2 partial products. Here we go. My 1's place. 0 plus 0 is?
0.
You're right. 8 plus 5 is?
13.
You are so right. 3 and carry the 1 over here. 1 plus 5 is?
6.
Plus 3 more.
8.
It's going to be 9, Grace. It's going to be 9. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 1, 2, 3 more is 9. Way to go, Grace. We're almost there. I've got 4 left. Nothing to add it to, so I bring it down. Now, remember, I have to put my comma in, so I count 3 places from the right, put in my comma. Grace, what is my product?
4,930.
You've got it, Grace. Knockout. Way to go. Ring that bell. All right, we're finished with that one. Now, Grace is going to do one on her own. Now, Grace, remember, before you do one on your own, we've got to line up our numbers correctly. Put my big number on top, and let's line up our 43 under it, like that. Now you're ready to go, Grace, all right? And I'll ring the bell after each round. 3 rounds, your places are lined up. Here you go, Grace, round 1. Excellent, and she's multiplying from the ones place. Oh, look at her go. The crowd is going crazy. Yeah, Grace, yeah, Grace, yeah, Grace. Okay, end of round 1. Yeah.